G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've got the Spectre monster truck, the 8821G from Nansheng that I reviewed the other day. And today I decided to try some different battery options. Now, this particular truck has a Tamiya plug, okay? So I've got a Tamiya connector here to Dean's, and I'm gonna try out a 7.2 volt or 7.4 volt rather 2S LiPo. As you can see, it's got a Tamiya male plug. Let me just show you there, like that. So I can run LiPos on this, even though it comes with a lithium ion pack. So I've just got one of these simple connectors here that I can convert. So I'm going to try it out on 2S, guys. I might do a bit of a speed run just to see how it goes, and maybe I'll kick it up to 3S as well, and we'll see how it goes on that. Alright guys, well, that's what I'm going to do. I'll put the 2S LiPo in. It's just a simple WL Toys LiPo, and we'll see how it runs, and let's get into it. Let's try it out. So I put the 2S in there with the connector, and as you can see, it fits underneath that cage rather well. Okay, so I'm going to turn the truck on. Is that on already? Let's see. Okay, it's on. Got the light flashing in there. And turn transmitter on. Yep. Okay. So let me just line up these body posts. Nearly lost a couple in the sand. Not a good idea. These really small pins are a bit of a pain to get in. We've got the speed reader there, just calibrating. Come on, get in there. Okay, so it's calibrated. Okay, well, it's on 0 pretty much. It's 2 kilometers an hour because I was walking. Let's see what it does on the 2S LiPo. Seems a little bit more go in it, bit livelier. So like I said in my review, guys, this is basically a rebranded Xinlehong truck, the 9115 that's been around for a while. They also made the 9116 truggy, which is basically the same as the 9115 except it's the truggy platform, but she's running pretty good. What did it get? 28.1 kilometers an hour out of the little 390 motor. I'm pretty sure the Xinlehong truck got exactly the same on 2S, so that's not too bad. That's pretty good, not too bad at all. So I'll convert that to mile per hour for you guys, but definitely has got a lot more torque over the lithium ion pack that comes with it, even though that one's 9.6 volt. So yeah, what I like about this one is that, like I mentioned and showed you, it's got a Tamiya plug. The thing that I didn't like about the Xinlehong trucks, the 9115 and 9116 in particular, is that those lithium packs had like a 4 or 6 wire plug, which was proprietary, and you had to actually, I had to solder in on the actual truck itself and splice in to use Dean's plug lipos. But with this one, as you can see, I've just got a simple cable and there's no soldering, it's all plug and play. There's no soldering required. So no, pretty cool. How's the off-road with the lipo? Yeah, pretty decent. So you can peel out, have a bit of fun. You know, there's not many rear-wheel drive trucks around anymore. There are a few here and there, but it's not common. They're usually four-wheel drive. And it's just fun to have a rear-wheel drive to peel out like this. Alright guys, what I might do is just leave it at that. I might try a 3S run another day, guys. Okay, and just leave it at that. So that's 28.1 kilometers an hour. So that's pretty cool. Not bad speed out of this Nansheng SPECTRE, the 8821G. You can check the links in the description below to this one. There's currently a 15% off code that I've provided in the description below. And also check out my full review on this one. Alright guys? Okay, so until next time, have a great day. Feel free to like, subscribe and comment. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that notification bell. I'll catch you next time. Alright guys, happy RCing, bye for now.